There's a lot of interest in Pi Network, which is a decentralized blockchain project with the goal of developing a more inclusive digital currency. As the project gets ready, the digital currency industry for the introduction of its open mainnet, there has been a lot of talk regarding potential high-profile investors who might be interested in Pi Network's token. There are rumored to be 5 billionaires who are interested in Pi Network and might buy its coin. Therefore, we'll discuss the top 5 billionaires in today's video who are ready to purchase the Pi Network's cryptocurrency on the launch of the primary open network. Before we go any further, this channel has resumed its daily giveaway of 50 Pi coins. All you have to do is simply comment Pi Network to the moon with the rocket emoji in the comment section, and don't forget to support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Barry Silbert, who is the founder of digital currency group known as DG, has a lengthy history of funding important cryptocurrency and blockchain businesses. Coinbase, Ripple, and Grayscale investments are just a few of the successful ventures in which DGE has made key investments. It's hardly surprising that Silbert would do this given his expertise and interest in the cryptocurrency industry. Could think about purchasing the token from Pi Network. Michael Saylor declined due to his business big investments in Bitcoin. According to Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy has gained notoriety person of note in the Bitcoin sector. One of the largest business investors in Bitcoin-owned MicroStrategy has made billions of dollars in the virtual currency. Saylor's faith in its revolutionary ability that he might look into investment prospects in. Pi Network's coin as a result of cryptocurrency and his financial philosophies, Tyler Winklevoss, Cameron Winklevoss, and 3 others. The Winklevoss twins, Tyler Winklevoss, gained notoriety as early Bitcoin investors. They are rumored to possess a sizable quantity of Bitcoin, perhaps 70,000 coins. The Winklevoss twins established the Gemini cryptocurrency exchange in response to their ongoing need to diversify their Bitcoin holdings. It is conceivable that they will take into account, given their considerable industry expertise and clout, purchasing Pi Network's coin. Even if Elon Musk's Tesla previously bought Bitcoin, it's important to keep in mind that his financial choices often come as a surprise. Bitcoin worth $15 billion was bought by Tesla. According to the company's annual documents, its holdings were $191 million in 2021, but were reduced to that amount in 2022. Although Musk's interest in cryptocurrencies is well known, it is unknown whether he will invest in Pi Network's token. However, it is not completely impossible given his prior involvement in the cryptosphere. Michael Novogratz is a well-known Bitcoin figure and the founder of Galaxy Digital Holdings. Company is a Bitcoin and digital asset broker-dealer as well. The management company Novogratz has been devoted investor and advocate for the introduction of digital currencies. He might be interested in investing in Pi Network's coin, given his history in finance and his wide knowledge of the crypto industry. The world of digital currencies is on the lookout for prominent investors who might decide to buy Pi Network's coin as it gets ready to launch its open main network. While it is exciting to speculate about these billionaires' interest in the Pi Network's token, it is important to keep in mind that investment decisions are complicated and affected by a number of factors. Nevertheless, prominent Bitcoin players were present. Pi Network's reputation and acceptance might both greatly increase, supporting its goal of creating a more inclusive digital currency environment. The Bitcoin community has taken notice of Pi Network as a promising concept. Pi Network's commitment to release an open mainnet gives it a great chance of success, but in order to do that, the initiative needs to find financiers prepared to pay fairly for the Pi. Since its introduction, the Pi Network has been able to build up a sizable community of more than 46 million users who are actively involved in mining, utilizing mobile apps, and using PiCoin. The Pi Network has a solid platform on which to expand and flourish because to its enormous user base, investors that are enthusiastic about and convinced of the Pi Network's potential are needed. Nonetheless, to support further growth A crucial stage in keeping the project's worth and stability is attracting investors ready to purchase Picoin at a fair price. These investors will not only increase the market's liquidity, but also its long-term stability and trust. The Pi Network team wanted to express the in detail in order to find the right investor. Benefits and special value of the project are regular consumers may easily access cryptocurrencies thanks to the Pi Network, which also offers a secure and reliable decentralized technology and encourages financial inclusion. Through seamless accessibility, however, the team must draw attention to the difficulties and risks associated with trading Bitcoin. Investors need to be aware of security issues and price volatility and other factors that may have an impact. The Pi Network must keep improving its environment in order to draw in investors ready to purchase Picoin at a fair price, open communication involvement in local activities, and allowing users to participate in decision-making are all necessary to maintain community interest and trust. The Pi Network must also execute a good marketing campaign in order to spread awareness of this project. Potential investors can be attracted to the Pi Network team through effective marketing, benefits, and values of the project when seeking financing. Pi Network must maintain ethics and openness. The team is responsible for providing reliable information about the project's status, finances, and upcoming objectives. If investors have confidence in the team's integrity and the project's long-term potential, they will be more likely to participate. The Pi Network can also gain from strategic partnerships with linked companies and groups. Collaboration with similar-minded partners, goals, and a vision can provide a lot of help for the expansion and acceptance of the Pi Network. The Pi Network must keep its attention there. Project sustainability and long-term growth seeks investors prepared to purchase Pi at a reasonable price. This calls for developing user-friendly products and services, growing the ecosystem, and assuring network security and stability. It is essential to, when looking for investors, encourage the ideas of transparency and involvement in the community. It takes open communication, opportunities for participation, and other factors to develop strong trust and involvement. Obtaining feedback from the public. Finding investors willing to purchase Pi at a fair price is an important stage in the growth of the Pi Network. The Pi Network can draw in investment committed to fostering the expansion and development of this project by outlining its worth and advantages, creating an ecosystem upholding strong ties to the neighborhood, and implementing an effective marketing plan. With the right support, the Pi Network can realize its full potential and benefit Picoin users and holders globally in significant ways. For those who are new with the idea, the Pi Network Hackathon is a gathering where tech-savvy people work hard to develop creative decentralized applications on the Pi Network testnet. The hackathon often lasts for a set amount of time, during which participants work together to create creative solutions, frequently based around a particular subject or goal. Pi Network's choice to implement a monthly hackathon program is completely in line with its core values of decentralization, community-driven growth, and individual empowerment. The Pi Network team hopes to unleash the tremendous potential of its community members and use their combined knowledge to propel the development of groundbreaking applications, tools, and services by opening the doors to innovative minds around the world. The robust and active community on Pi Network is one of its defining features, therefore. It is anticipated that the hackathon program will offer the perfect forum for community members to actively contribute to the expansion of the network. Pioneers who are already a part of a thriving ecosystem can demonstrate their talents and expertise while working with like-minded people from others backgrounds,